Bridgestone India, subsidiary of global leader in tire technology, and Motorindia, one of the oldest reputed magazines in the commercial vehicle segment in the country, along with partner brands Ashok Leyland, Delux Bearings, Jamna Auto, DH Lighting India, have kicked off a pan-India Go Extra campaign to meet key stakeholders in the commercial vehicle industry, including fleet operators, drivers, mechanics at key trucking hubs across the country. The main purpose of the campaign is to present some of the best products, solutions for truck fleet operators and drivers to help them reduce the overall running and maintenance cost of their vehicles and fleets. A 14-wheeler heavy-duty Ashok Leyland Avatar truck fitted with Bridgestone's new M721 tire in the drive axle has started its journey from Delhi's Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar after a highly engaging session with fleet operators, drivers and mechanics. The Go Extra campaign will run for over 50 days, with the truck covering 6,500 kilometers from start to finish, moving across the length and breadth of the country, traversing through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra once again, Gujarat and Rajasthan, before returning to Delhi, where similar engagement sessions have been conducted at different transport nagars. Schwing Stetter India, one of the largest manufacturers of concreting and construction equipment in the country, has inaugurated its 5th manufacturing facility in Cheyyar, Tamil Nadu, that will help them increase production capacities for pump by 50%, truck-mounted boom pump by 4 times, self-loading mixers by 5 times, and truck mixers and batching plant capacity by 2 times. Vedanta Limited, leading producer of metal and oil and gas, has announced the formal launch of its newest product, the Aluminium cylinder head alloy, a critical raw material for manufacturing cylinder heads and other automotive components to help increase efficiency of internal combustion engines for improved performance on emission control in line with BS6 and CAFE norms. For more videos, exclusive interviews and press events, subscribe to Motorindia's YouTube channel, and to read in-depth articles, log on to www.motorindiaonline.in.